Hello, everyone. So, on the occasion of 75th Independence Day, I wish you all a very, very happy. So, when we talk about Independence Day, the very first thought that comes to our mind is about the great freedom fighters of our country. And if I ask you, like, can you name them? So, definitely, I know you would name great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Dadabhai Naroji, or Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, or Subhash Chandra. So these are the people whom we have actually talked about, studied about, and listened about. Like from the very beginning of our school time, or even I would say college days. And yes, we definitely keep on studying about them. And definitely, I must say that their contribution can never ever be forgotten. And we are always grateful to them for the efforts they have put to make our country independent. But on the other hand, I would also like to talk about those freedom fighters whom are not known to us. Yeah, like I would say that people who were there, who really fought, who really contributed towards the independence of our country, but they were not known to us. Their name is not known to us. So one such great freedom fighter is Sri Ram Lal Beniwal. So if I talk about him, he was from state of Rajasthan. So if I say that why I'm talking about him, like what is the reason that I'm talking about? The most important reason is that yes, because I too belong to the state of Rajasthan, I thought that I should talk about a person who is from the same state. Like, or rather, I should do the other way around, that I'm honored or like I have the opportunity to talk that I too belong to a great state who has who had a great freedom fighter like him. So he was from state of Rajasthan, from Hanumangarh district, and he belonged to a village called Sardargarhia. And if I talk about his contribution, like like what has inspired me to talk about him. So before I really talk about this, that what has inspired me about him, I would really like to show that how he has been applauded or praised or like acknowledged for his contribution. So these are the few pictures that that I found out. Like these are the pictures or like images of the Tampatra that he has received as an acknowledgement for his contribution from the state government as well as from the central government. So you can just have a look at them. So these are the Tampatras. So Tampatras are basically like made up of copper. So like Tamba that we call. So these are the Tampatra. So that they receive as an acknowledgement for their contribution. Now, as I said, like what inspired me? What inspired me to talk about him? So there are three things that really inspired me to talk about him. Is yes, that he really advocate, like he really talked about education. He really wanted that yes, everyone should be educated. Really give importance to education. Yes, that is very very important. And like he really wanted that yes, all the children of his village should be educated. He never wanted that yes, anyone should lag behind just because of the lack of education, like should be left behind. He always encouraged that yes, especially for the girl child, he really that he really like encouraged his family members as well as the people of his village that yes, the girls should be educated. And the second thing that really inspired me was the initiative. If I talk about the initiative, so yes, I really feel that if these freedom fighters, all the freedom fighters that are there or whom we remember, whom we know, if they have not taken the initiative and they would have also thought that why me, then do you really think that we would have really achieved this independence? I really feel that no, definitely not. The answer would be a big no. So these people have really encouraged us and really taught us that yes, we all need to take the initiative. So wherever we face a challenge, we need to take us initiative. We need to have that standalone spirit. And if we have the courage to take the initiative, and if we have the standalone spirit, then there's nothing that cannot be. There's nothing that we cannot change. So this really inspired me, and I also feel that yes, if that and I also feel that yes, I do like I also need to take that initiative when I face challenge in my life. So definitely at this time we don't face challenges like where our country faces a challenge. We don't take the like we sometimes we really back out, or we are don't have that courage to take the initiative. But these people have really taught us that yes, it like we all should have that courage, especially when our country is facing any kind of a challenge. That should be. So I really feel that yes, each one of us should take the initiative and should have that stand. So that was all for today. So that's what I really want to talk about on the great occasion of Independence Day. I hope that you would now another name is added to your list when we talk about freedom fighters. I'm sure that you will also remember him.